Hi guys, I'm back with another Waray 101 video part 3. If you haven't watched my first and second part of the tutorial video, you may catch up by checking on the videos here in my channel. And if you happen not to not like, subscribe, and click the bell button yet, please do so to get acquainted or updated with the current or the recent videos I have, and also to get to know more about the Waray culture, language, food, places. It's another warm morning here in the Philippines, and I hope wherever all of you are healthy and safe. So today we will be discussing how to express likes, dislike, and affection. So I have a question for you. Have you ever experienced the different phases or emotions we feel when it comes to love or admiration? Well, I prepared a short animated story that I personally created for all my viewers, and I hope you will like it. So let's start.
Hi, I'm Mimi. I'm a farm girl, and this is a story of love, friendship, and forgiveness. I have two childhood friends, Miney and Mo. The three of us are good friends. However, Miney had to go to another country to be with his mom at the age of 7 years old. After 15 years, Miney went back to spend his vacation and reunite with us in the province. Neither do I know that I was one of the reasons why he went back. One day, we are about to catch up with each other for old time's sake when he suddenly asked me to be his girlfriend. And he said I was always in his thoughts and loves me even when he was away. I told him honestly that I only see him as a friend and that I can always be someone he can rely on when he needs to. Deep inside, I'm also sad seeing that I'm one of the reasons why he's hurting at the moment. To tell you the reason why, I am secretly in love with Mo. I never had the courage to tell him about how I feel. Mo and I loved to play together when we were kids. Mo is not showy and a very serious guy, so I can never tell what he feels about me too. It was a fine summer day and both of us decided to ride bike to a park. Surprisingly, Mo asked me to be his girlfriend and I confessed also my feelings for him. After a year, our parents gave their blessing and we get married. I understand why Miney did not attend the wedding. We also want to give him the space he needs. Miney decided to go back to his country. He worked hard, traveled the world, meet new people, and he is now a successful businessman. After 5 years, Miney reached out to us. We catch up with each other and fix the gap the situation has caused to our friendship. We bonded with each other and reminisced the old times we were playing together.
Hi guys, thank you for watching this story, and I hope you enjoyed the mini series I prepared for all of you. Even I also wondered what happened to the love life of Miney. I hope I can make a sequel of that. But going back to our discussion this week, I have here some highlighted emotions that we saw in the short clip. Now, have here first one is like. How will you say I like you to a girl or a boy? Um, since in the sentence we use like as a verb, in Waray, like is gusto, and when you say it, you say gusto ko ikaw. Ko is me, and ikaw is the person you're talking to, the second person. So, um, gusto ko ikaw. As you can see, the verb comes before the pronoun use. So, that's it. Gusto ko ikaw. Now, how about if you say, I love you? Okay. Love in Waray is higugmaon. So, when you say it, you still use ko ikaw in the end. So, higugmaon ko ikaw. I love you. All right. So, how about if a girl did not accept your proposal to for her to be your girlfriend? So your feelings that time is you were busted, and in how will you say it in Waray? In Waray, you can say nabasted ako. Means she did not agree to that she will be your girlfriend. So you were nabasted ako. Now, heartache. So heartache in Waray is maulul ak kasing-kasing. Maulul means hurt or pain. Ak is my heartache. And kasing-kasing is heart. So maulul ak kasing-kasing. Okay? So if you want to say my heart aches because she did not accept my proposal to be my girlfriend. So you say, maulul akong kasing-kasing. Kay, which is because. Kay nabasted ako. Like that. So pitiful. So, what else? I have here forgiveness. Remember in my first part of the tutorial, I discussed about how to say I'm sorry, which is pasaylo a ako. Forgiveness in Waray is pasaylo. Okay? And friendship. Friendship in Waray is pagka-sarang. If for those who had the troubles pronouncing NG, pagka-sarang kay. So that's it. And if you are only if you only want to say friend, then it's only sangkay. But if it's friendship, then that's pagka-sarangkay. Okay? So that's it. That sums up my lesson for this week, and I hope you'll continue watching. If you have a friend who wanted to learn more about our culture, our language, you can encourage him or her to visit my channel. And also, next week, I will be discussing about numbers and time. Thank you for being with me in this another video tutorial. And I hope you will like the video and comment, place your comment in the comment section. And also for those who haven't subscribed yet, please support me by just pressing the subscribe button. So thank you guys and have a great day. Please stay safe. God bless you.